Have you ever noticed how it seems like everyone is always talking about the same ways to make money? Work hard, save, invest. Even I talk about this with you. But what if I told you there are also simple and underrated ways to make money that almost no one tells you about? That's right. Sometimes the solution is right in front of us, but we don't see it because we're stuck in traditional ideas. What you're going to see here are 14 simple ways to make money that might surprise you. No empty promises, just practical and straightforward strategies that can help you change your life now. And the best part? Some of them you can start today with no hassle at all. Curious to learn more? Then stay with me because the last tip is going to make you a lot of money. Let's go. Have you ever thought about making money just by teaching what you already know? That's right, that skill you've mastered, like playing the guitar or being an Excel whiz, can turn into a source of income online. You can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Hotmart. And the cool thing is, once the course is ready, it keeps making you money without you having to do anything else. If creating a course seems complicated, how about starting with private lessons? Lots of people out there want to learn new things, and you can teach them through Zoom without leaving your house. It can be something simple, like teaching a recipe or helping someone get organized. And you know what's even better? Besides making money, you're also helping others grow. The great thing is that more and more people are looking to learn online, so the demand is only increasing. While you're teaching and earning some cash, you're also making a difference in the life of the person on the other side of the screen. And speaking of making money, have you thought about digging through your closet to see what could turn into cash? But before we get there, let me tell you another way to put some extra money in your pocket. Now, think with me. Do you enjoy browsing through thrift stores and flea markets? Believe it or not, this can be a great way to make money. You can find hidden treasures out there like brand name clothing, vintage accessories, or even decorative items that with a keen eye can be resold for a much higher price. Imagine finding a leather jacket for a bargain and selling it for a nice profit online. And you don't need to be a fashion expert to do this. All you need is a sharp eye and knowing where to look. Platforms like eBay or Best Buy are great places to resell these finds. Just take a well-shot photo, write a catchy description, and there you have it. Another simple way to make money. And trust me, a lot of people are making good money from this, so why not you? Whether selling unique pieces or even creating an online store with your own style, this is a practical way to turn a hobby into income. And the best part is, while you're having fun hunting for deals, you're also putting some extra cash in your pocket. And speaking of making money easily, have you heard of making money just by giving your opinion? Hold on, I'll tell you more. Imagine getting paid just to give your opinion. That's right, participating in online focus groups is a pretty cool way to make money. Companies are always looking to know what people think about their products or services, and that's where you come in. Here's how it works. You sign up on specific platforms, and when a survey that matches your profile comes up, you're invited to participate, and of course, you get paid for it. And you don't need to be an expert to join. The questions are usually simple and related to your everyday life, like what you think of a certain product or how you usually use certain services. The great thing is that you can do this from the comfort of your home without needing to travel. And the money, it goes straight into your account, just like that. Besides being a simple way to make money, you're also helping companies improve what they offer. Now think about it, earning some extra cash just by giving your opinion with no hassle sounds easy, right? And the best part is that there are several platforms that offer these opportunities, like Taluna, Ipsos I Say, and many others. But wait, there are even more simple ways to make money that I want to show you. How about earning extra cash with that car sitting in your garage? Let me explain how. Do you happen to have a car sitting in your garage that only goes out occasionally? Have you ever thought about making money by renting it out? That's right, while your car is just sitting there unused, it could be earning you some extra cash. There are platforms like Turo and Mubi that connect people who need a car temporarily with those who have a car available. And the best part is you can do everything through the app without any hassle. Renting out your car can be a great way to cover those extra expenses or even pay off the car's installments. And you don't have to worry too much because these platforms usually offer insurance for the vehicle while it's rented out. It's like making money without much effort, you know? And you're also helping someone who needs a car for a little while. And guess what? Some people have even bought a second car just to rent out and are turning it into a profitable business. But if you're thinking about simple ways to make money and want to explore something that doesn't require a big investment, let me tell you about freelancing in less explored niches. If you've thought about freelancing but feel like the competition is tough, why not explore less obvious niches? There are areas with less competition where you can make money more easily. For example, services like transcribing audio from specific videos or creating content for a very niche audience, such as embroidery tutorials, can be great ways to earn money. In these areas, the demand exists, but few people are meeting it. And the good thing is, because these niches are less saturated, you can stand out more easily. Imagine offering your services to independent writers who need someone to format their ebooks, or helping small local businesses create an online presence. These are just a few ideas that can be explored. With the internet, the possibilities are practically endless, and with a bit of creativity, you can find the right niche for you. So if you're looking for simple ways to make money, starting as a freelancer in uncommon niches could be a great choice. And the most interesting part is that you learn new skills while earning. And speaking of something different, have you heard of mystery shopping? Let me explain how this other interesting way to make money works. Have you ever imagined making money by shopping? It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's real. Mystery shopping is a pretty cool way to earn some extra cash. Basically, you sign up on platforms that offer this type of service, and the task is simple. You go to a store, make a purchase as if you were a regular customer, and then evaluate the service, organization, and other details. All of this, of course, is paid. The most interesting part is that it's not just physical stores. Many mystery shopping services involve restaurants, cinemas, and even hotel stays. And the best part is, besides making money, you can also take the opportunity to visit new places and try out services you might not have experienced otherwise. Afterward, you just send in a report detailing how your experience was. Simple, right? This is one of those simple ways to make money that a lot of people don't even know exists, but it can be quite fun. So the next time you go shopping, why not check if there's any mystery shopping available in your area? And speaking of fun things that make money, have you ever thought about earning money by taking care of pets? Let me tell you more about that now. If you're someone who loves animals, then you'll like this idea, making money by taking care of pets. Many people need someone trustworthy to look after their pets while they're away, whether it's during the day or on trips. And that's where you come in. Offering pet sitting or walking services can be a pleasant way to earn some extra cash. Platforms like Pet Anjo and Dog Hero connect you with pet owners in your area, making it easy to get in touch and ensuring a nice extra income at the end of the month. Just imagine spending the day playing with dogs, taking them for walks, and getting paid for it. Besides being a simple way to make money, it's something that brings a lot of personal satisfaction. And it's not just limited to dogs. Cats, birds, and even small rodents might need someone to check on them while their owners are away. The good thing is that you set your own schedule and can accept jobs that best fit your routine. And if you already have experience with animals, you can even offer more specialized care, like administering medication or basic training. This increases your chances of getting more clients and, of course, earning more. And since we're talking about working with something you enjoy, how about thinking about creating and selling your own digital products? Let me explain this idea to you. If you enjoy creating things on the computer, have you ever thought about turning that into money? Selling digital products is one of the smartest ways to make money these days. The cool thing is that once you've created something, it keeps selling without you needing to do anything else. It could be an ebook, social media templates, customized spreadsheets, or even online courses. What you create once can be sold multiple times, generating passive income. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. With a bit of creativity and a good idea, you can create products that help others solve specific problems. For example, a graphic designer could create icon packs or business card templates. A teacher could sell workbooks or educational materials. The possibilities are endless. And platforms like Hotmart and Etsy make it easy to sell these products, connecting you with an audience already interested in what you have to offer. Moreover, selling digital products is a great way to scale your business. You can start small, testing the market's response, and gradually expand your offerings. And if you're looking for other simple ways to make money, have you thought about renting out equipment that you don't use very often? Let me show you how that can be a good source of income. You know those pieces of equipment you have at home that you hardly ever use. They can turn into a great way to make money. Cameras, construction tools, drones, and even sound equipment can all be rented out to people who need them temporarily, but don't want or can't afford to buy them. And you, of course, earn some extra cash with little effort. Platforms like Rent My Stuff and Fat Llama connect those who have equipment with those who need it. The cool thing is that renting out your equipment not only helps you make some extra money, but also prevents these items from sitting idle and depreciating. Think of it as a way to recoup the investment you made when you bought them. And you don't have to worry too much about the safety of the items, since many platforms offer insurance to cover any potential damages or losses. It's like making money in a very practical and stress-free way. And you know what's even better? You can adjust the prices and availability according to your needs. In other words, you stay in control of how and when to rent out your equipment. And since we're talking about using technology to your advantage, have you thought about working as a virtual assistant? Let me tell you how this can also be a great way to make some extra money. Working as a virtual assistant is a practical and flexible way to earn money, especially if you enjoy organizing and helping people keep everything in order. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need administrative support but don't have the space or budget to hire someone full-time. That's where you come in. As a virtual assistant, you can manage schedules, respond to emails, handle social media, and much more, all remotely. The great thing about this role is that you can work from anywhere as long as you have a computer and internet access. Plus, you can choose how many clients you want to take on, adjusting your workload according to your availability. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are great places to start offering your services. And the best part is that while you're helping others, you're also learning new skills and gaining experience. If you're good at organization, communication, and have basic office skills, this can be a simple and effective way to make money. The flexibility of this kind of work is one of its biggest advantages, allowing you to balance it with other activities. And speaking of balance, if you're fluent in another language, you can explore the translation and interpretation market to further increase your income streams. Let me explain how that works. If you're fluent in more than one language, you already have a great opportunity to make money. The translation and interpretation market is vast and always in need of professionals to handle documents, books, websites, and even to offer interpretation services at events or online meetings. And the cool thing is that you can do all of this from home, at your own pace, choosing the projects that interest you the most. Working in translation can be a simple and effective way to earn money, especially if you enjoy working with words and different cultures. There are platforms like Prose and Translatorscape where you can sign up and start offering your services. Additionally, companies around the world are looking for translators to adapt content for new markets. So if you're fluent in a less common language, your chances of finding work increase even more. And don't forget about interpretation, which is also an excellent source of income. By working as an interpreter, whether at live events or via video conference, you're helping people communicate and close deals that would otherwise be impossible. It's an enriching way to use your language skills to make a difference and, of course, earn good money. And since we're talking about using your skills to make money, how about testing websites and apps? Let me show you how this can be a fun and profitable way to earn. How about making money by testing websites and apps? That's right, many companies pay regular people to test their digital products before they hit the market. The job is simple. You access the website or app, use the main features, and give your opinion on the experience. The cool thing is that, in addition to earning money, you also get the chance to see new tools and technologies firsthand before they launch. And you don't need to be a tech expert. The idea is to use the website or app as you normally would and provide honest feedback on what worked well and what could be improved. Platforms like User Testing and TryMeEI connect you with these testing opportunities. It's a practical way to make money without leaving home, and you're helping companies improve their products. Payment is usually per test, and the amount can vary depending on the complexity of the task. So if you're looking for simple ways to earn money, testing websites and apps can be a fun and easy option. And speaking of easy things, have you thought about making extra cash just by answering online surveys? Let me explain how that works next. Did you know that you can make money just by answering online surveys? That's right, many companies are willing to pay to better understand what consumers think about their products and services. Participating in these surveys is a simple way to earn money, and the best part is that you can do it from anywhere, whether during a work break, at home, or even on the go. The process is quite simple. You sign up on platforms like Taluna, Spybucks, or Google Opinion Rewards, answer a few questions about your habits and preferences, and that's it. You're already earning. The nice thing is that these surveys are usually quick, so you don't need to spend much time before you start seeing money coming in. It's a practical way to turn those idle minutes into extra cash. Of course, you won't get rich answering surveys, but it's an interesting way to supplement your income. And the best part, you're also helping companies improve their products, which ultimately benefits everyone. And speaking of helping and making money, have you thought about teaching online? If you have knowledge in a particular area, this could be the perfect opportunity to teach and earn some cash. Let me tell you how it works. If you excel in a particular subject or have specific skills, why not make money by teaching others online? Online tutoring is an excellent way to turn what you know into income. Nowadays, many people prefer to learn from the comfort of their homes, and that's where you can step in. Whether it's helping students understand math, teaching a new language, or sharing programming knowledge, the demand for online tutors is constantly growing. You can start by offering your services on platforms like Superprof, Preply, or even on social media, where you can find students who need help in areas you're familiar with. The great thing is that you set your own schedule and rate per lesson, giving you enormous flexibility to fit this activity into your routine. Plus, it's a great way to make money while doing something you enjoy, teaching and watching others learn. Online tutoring not only allows you to earn extra cash, but it also helps you create connections with people from all over the world. It's rewarding to see your students' progress and to know that you were a part of it. Now that you know all these simple ways to make money, the question is, which one are you going to start applying today? It's not enough to just know, you need to take action. Maybe you're thinking that this won't work for you, but the truth is, anyone can turn these ideas into reality. So what's holding you back? The opportunity is right there, you just need to take the first step. Can you imagine having extra income coming in every month without having to wait years to see the results? Set aside your doubts and start changing your life now. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can keep learning practical ways to make money and transform your life. The next step is in your hands. Now, on your screen, there's a video that will bring more clarity to your financial mindset. Just click and I'll see you there.